strip, click Start. The Draw From In handle moves to the far left and none of the embroidery can be seen. The draw range enables you to insert stitches, or in this case a cutwork line, into a design. However, to work accurately, you need to be able to see where the stitches after the cutwork line will be placed. Click Ghost Mode. The stitches that were hidden are now white. Click Play, Medium Play, or Fast Play to play through the embroidery as if it was being stitched. The wings of the dragonfly are stitched out before the body. Click Stop when the body is all or partially shown. The stabilizing stitch line and the cutwork line can be placed before the rest of the embroidery. In the control strip, click Start again. This enables you to insert the cutwork stitches at the beginning of the embroidery.